Look at the toy car. Nobody is touching it now, but it still stopped. Why did it stop? Here is something strange. The child moves farther on one surface, but not on the other. What is causing this difference? Watch the football carefully. It starts fast, then it becomes slower. What do you notice? The book also stops. The football stopped too. Is the same thing happening in both cases? Time to predict. Which idea seems correct? What is making the objects slow down? Look at these two surfaces. Where will the car go farther? Make your guess before we test it. Here comes our first clue. The car moves farther on the smooth surface. Why does that happen? Now look at the rough surface. The car stops much sooner. What is different here? Let's zoom in very close. The surfaces are not perfectly smooth. Tiny bumps touch each other. Could these bumps matter? Another clue appears. Something is pushing against the motion. It acts in the opposite direction. What could it be? The mystery is solved. This opposing force is called friction. Friction acts against motion. It slows moving objects down. Smooth surfaces have less friction. Rough surfaces have more friction. That is why objects move differently. Friction does more than slow things down. It helps us walk. Without it, our feet would slip. Isn't that interesting?
Think about bicycle brakes. Why does the bicycle stop? Friction helps reduce the motion. You use this every day.
Let's test friction ourselves. Try two different surfaces. Which one lets the eraser travel farther? Look at these two roads. The same bicycle is used. Will the bicycle behave the same on both? Think carefully. Today we found a hidden force. It can slow objects down, but it also helps us move safely. Can you think of more examples? Let's remember three key ideas. Friction opposes motion. Rough surfaces create more friction. Friction also helps us in daily life.